Ubak Prestone tensong sembut Menteri Rangbak Kajela, haka khatlai terik rempang ulaong baka sorkar bat ki pajba, ki Pdiang ya ka jingker sainar sya, hynrei ka sainar sya ka deben ya na jan 0 point, bat kam deben kta ya ka jaka puta ki nong shong shnong. Ubak Prestone ulaong baka sorkar ka kwa ban kiar sainar sya, hynrei ka don ka jingthut hari lum khasi jaintia, namar bakala syem jaka palat syadu ki jaka rep baki shnong. Kumta kani kalawan ra ka jing sokhya na kitrai jaka, bat kila persyak jur ya ka jingker sainar, kabana kaliang ka sorkar kala penpau ya ka jing sokhya, bat pha ya ka jing thok sya ka Ministry Home Affairs jong ka sorkar Pdiang, ban kentu bakani ka jingker sainar kan long shajan ka 0 point.
This one is very clear. We wanted to construct fencing. But at the same time, there were issues, there were some problems where the alignment of the fencing sometimes goes beyond the land, agricultural land of the landowner or the clan land or maybe the community land, where sometimes the village administration, they oppose it and they keep requesting the government of India to kindly consider in such cases, in such portion, that the fencing should go closer to the 0 point. This is what's happening right now, and this concern, even from the state government, we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs that whatever possible way, we welcome the fencing, but as I said to you again, it should be closer to the 0 point between Bangladesh and India. We have already written the concern of the state government. When I say the state government, means the concern of individuals, the concern of public, the concern of the village authority in the entire stretch of international border as Meghalaya and Bangladesh. No, it is kept on hold. That's what I'm telling you. Even in East Kashmir, part of it, people does not allow. Even from the government side, district administration who said, please don't allow. Unless we get a clear-cut decision taken by the government of India. So, be it in Warjaitia site, where in the Amlarem area, not even a single inch of fencing has started.